We're in Davisonville, Maryland today, and assisting on some underground conduit for communication, for power, and for water. Take a look at what our guys got going on here today. Ever we running a bunch of old concrete there? Old concrete? He said he was. What happened to him? You haven't seen Tony this morning?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, Tony this morning here.
How come you didn't trench this with the other machine? Had the little mini backhoe. What happened to that?
This one's broken.
Oh, it's broken? Oh, yeah.
Pieces coming out.
Oh, yeah, I see that. Yep. I see that. I had an accident. Huh. Wonder how that happened. How far you gotta go back to where we ran it back in December? How much further? Right there?
Yes.
Okay. All right. You ready to go to the next job site?
Yeah.
All right. Let's head to the next job site. I'll get a call in. All right?
Sounds good.
All right. Beautiful day out here.
A little chilly, but good weather. Sunny.
All right. Let's head to the next job site. See what the fellows are up to there while we're getting materials delivered here, okay? We are back at this job site in Davisonville. What's up, Angel? How are you doing? Did you get your lunch? I thought you were going to dig here and tee that water line in here. We got another tee here though when it goes that way. Same pipe, okay. Called it sooner because I know it's over here, the junction, right outside that valve box. Okay. One of those sprinkler, one's going to the shop.
Two going to the shop. I think all of them going to the shop.
Okay, so I thought one went to this valve box here for the sprinkler, and the other one went across the street. I might be wrong.
It looks like inside one has a cable, one has the internet or the telephone, and the other one is the water.
Okay.
The water is the one close
Okay.
here.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
We were looking when we left the first time. I swear when we were here last time, that conduit was right inside that wall inside. Did you look in there? Let's take a look here real quick. Come on. Same colors your BMW used to be. Remember?
Yeah.
And they closed? When you're silver or blue?
No, mine is black.
No. Your BMW wasn't black.
Alex has one. Alex, the guy that one worked with us,
Yeah,
has
but
a gray.
oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
I thought that you had a gray or a silver for years. Are you sure? How many BMWs did you have? Just one?
Two, but both are black.
Both are black?
Mm-hmm. It's just the X5 is gray.
Oh, okay. The X5. Well, that's a BMW.
That's what you do.
Oh, I said a BMW. You guys smoking something.
So put the blue pipe from here,
Yeah.
because inside don't have any space to climb.
Okay, to change over. So you want to do a transition? Okay.
How are we gonna get that pipe in there, underneath and in there?
We're gonna try with the funny pipe. Is the funny pipe going?
Funny pipe to
in?
drag it.
Definitely the other one.
We're in Upper Marlboro. What's happening, buddy? What's going on? Work?
Yes.
Water on?
No.
No water?
The plumber is not easy, man.
Well, you're not turning the water on anyway, are you?
No.
Oh, good.
Wow, that was tough. Looks good. Plumber did a good job. But the water's off, right?
Yeah.
We'll turn it on this year.
Only the the open one, because you see that this pipe,
Yep.
for this pipe inside had the 90, and they put that down to the other post to there.
Gotcha. But no water on this year. Remember, dry system.
the spring.
So save them a lot of water.
And the spring turned around.
Did you end up going with that T where it's coming off? Is that where you all? The T in the basement? Is that where the plumber teed it in the basement?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Good work. Yep. Guys and girls did a good job here. All installed, all cleaned up. Finished up the last manifold. Plumber just finished. Our guys are just tapping, finishing up there with some caulking sealant. Hanging to get the controller installed. Get it all sequenced out. Not turning no water on here. No, we're letting this one dry. This could save these people a lot of money this year. That's Felix. That's why we're doing business this year. No systems turned on.
Nope. Burn up your yard, deal with it next year.
But look at the money we saved you. Nice work, buddy. Jonathan, nice work.
Thank you.
Looks good. All right, we got to roll to another job site here. We'll talk at you guys soon. That wraps up another episode of Life of a Contractor. We'll talk to you soon. If you like this, like, subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next episode. Talk to you soon.